Peeps, I know most of you are on Instagram and most of you must have subscribed or are following the Punekar page on Instagram, and there's a message from IMD Pune, and it says that there's going to be heavy rainfall this evening or tonight, and please be careful, especially those on your two-wheelers. Just be careful as you're going home. Be safe. Keep yourself away from all the traffic, and be careful when you're driving or you're riding your bikes, your cars. The water shouldn't fill in your bonnets, or your bike shouldn't skid. And especially also that I want to add, if the stray animals, the stray pets are taking shelter in your buildings or your apartments, please don't shoo them away. Stay safe, stay blessed, and good night.